Cole is the odd one out at school. The other kids have the latest gadgets and trainers, while his family struggles to make ends meet. Until the day, one of his paintings is talent spotted and sells for thousands of pounds at a posh London gallery. Suddenly, Cole is the toast of the international art world, the star guest on TV shows, rich beyond his wildest dreams, hailed as a boy genius. Being famous is fantastic. But Cole has a guilty secret that, if exposed, will bring everything crashing down around him.